Okay, recording starts now. So, let's assume na yung attacker is already monitoring yung network. So, for this, I will be running my Wireshark just to simulate that an attacker is currently monitoring. So, a unsecured website, so yung mga website na walang HTTPS o naka-HTTP, will be sniffed at nare-record yung kanilang traffic using yung Wireshark natin. So, i-assume natin na someone is monitoring our network. So, if you will be logging in doon sa unsecured website, so this one. So, yan, pumasok tayo. Login tayo. We'll also use this. So, we'll just try to have this on a fail state. Yan. Failure. So, hindi siya pumasok. Still, ang goal is to check lang yung traffic. So, yan. So, assuming na ito na lahat yung traffic, sa dami-daming data dyan, nandyan yung mga unencrypted traffic. So, isi-save natin. Yan, meron isa. So, isi-save natin. So, using our tool, so, I already created a tool. So, ito yung ituturo natin na Python script that fetch or gather or grab credentials over the network traffic. So here is our demonstration. We will be reading the traffic from our Wireshark. Yeah. So there you have. So ito yung sa kanina from this domain, yung GhostLab local 8080, which is ito this one, and GlobeLab na 8079. So this one 8079. So as you can see here, we already extracted yung username and passwords. So, the simple scripts. So ganun lang siya ka-easy. So if you are not using a secured sites or yung may mga HTTPS at least, yan, ito yung makukuha. Pwede nating makapture yung mga traffic and makuha directly yung kanilang credential with it without any issues. Thank you.